I always wanted to go back home and be part of the reconstruction of Somalia. About 10 years ago, I think a little more than 10 years ago, in 2013, I went back for the first time to Mogadishu. And I got an opportunity to work with the government of Somalia, particularly the Ministry of Education, as a communications officer, and also doing some external relations. And I was young, hopeful, excited, and I remember going into one of my first high-profile meetings. And this minister that was leading the meeting walked into the room, and everyone stood up. She ordered the room, everyone to sit back. She was the most humble person that I've ever met. I never imagined, like in my wildest dreams, that I will be sitting next to a minister, like a federal minister. At the time, she was leading like multiple ministries, education, health, social services. Like she was doing a lot. And there was a lot of talks and discussions because she was launching the first public schools after like 20, 30 years. And there was one thing that she mentioned to the group. It wasn't particularly to me, it wasn't addressed to me, but I got the message. There was someone in one of the regional, I think, leaders that was blaming her or some social media posts. And that person was wrongly alleging her of not doing enough for the country. And everyone was shocked, like, you've done so much for that person. And she said, we have to revert with positivity. Whatever that person is alleging, we have to change. Because that's so hard. Like, how can you give positive to someone who is accusing you of negative things? So that was a lesson that I've learned. And that person is here today with us. And I'm so glad and emotional that Dr. Mariam Qasim is the person that I'm talking about. So please allow me to welcome Dr. Mariam Qasim to the stage. Thank you so much.
And Mawlid 2013 cunug yaru ahaa marka aniga teamka ila shaqeynay sida Ilaahay ugu ogyahay ilmaha yar yar ma jecleen in la yidhaahdo wasiir waxaan jeclaa inaan la iga dhex garanin dadka teamka macnaha inaan hooyo u noqdo gacmahan ku qabto laakiin indhihiisa waxaan ka arki karay wiilkii yaraa maanta inuu heerkan gaaray maalintaas waa ay ii muuqatay so wiilal yaryar keligiis maaha ilmo badanaan ku investigareeyay aniga hadda meel kasta markaan tago qof waa isoo qabanaya waxaa ahaa wiilashii kula jooga waxaa ahaa go to school dadkii ka shaqeynay marka walilaahi alxamdu waxaasoo dhanna ilaahay bay mahad u sugnaatay